General style chicken wings are really too nice. And when I get my taxes, bring me the General because these wings is OD fire. So some chicken wings, we're going to hit it with some mustard. Then we're going to add 2 Michael Jackson eggs because I beat it. Then we're going to season it with the National Bev Association starting 5 kosher salt, a little garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, and some white pepper. And they back in stock. Throw it in some flour and some cornstarch. Fry it nice and crispy. For the sauce, we're going to add some sesame oil, some garlic. Then we're going to slide in with some hoisin sauce, slide in with some rice wine vinegar, a little bit of soy sauce. Then we're going to hit it with some brown and white sugar. Then we're going to slide in with some red pepper flakes, some honey, and a cornstarch slurry. Now we're going to sauce them up, and I'll be on my worst behavior with the bevs. Call me all Bev Graham. Stop playing me for real.